Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to carry on with my SEO, or search engine optimization on Instagram series if that's okay with you. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about keywords on Instagram. I'm not going to throw lots of technical jargon at you. Instead, I'm going to break everything down, in the simplest of terms, to make it easy for you to understand. As always though, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and let me know.
What are keywords?
Have you ever typed something into the search bar on Google or another search engine? The words you typed in are keywords. Keywords are, in their very basic form, combinations of words that people search for. The last few things I searched for on Google are pizzas in Essex, when to plant tomato seeds, and yellow kettle and toaster set. All three of those are keywords. They are combinations of words that, when used together, help me to find something specific. When I tell Google, or another search engine, that I want pizzas in Essex, Google searches the entire internet to find the best results. The aim of the game is for Google to give me exactly what I'm looking for. In this case, I'm looking for pizzas in Essex. All of this talk about pizza is making me hungry. Moving on. There are long-tailed keywords and short-tailed keywords. As the name suggests, long-tailed keywords are longer, usually 4 or more words long. When to plant tomato seeds is an example of long-tailed keywords. These keywords are very specific. People are more likely to search long-tailed keywords when they are ready to buy something. Here are a few more examples of long-tailed keywords. Blue jeans size 10 bootcut. Vegan chocolate cake recipe. Best Instagram SEO keywords. Short-tailed keywords, as you might have guessed, are much shorter. Tomatoes would be an example of a short-tailed keyword. They are usually only 1 to 3 words long. Here are a few more examples of short-tailed keywords. Blue jeans. Chocolate cake recipe. Instagram SEO.
How does Google know the best results?
This is where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. When you optimize a website, you add keywords in specific places to tell Google what the site or page is talking about. Your website might still come up if you don't optimize it, but by making an effort to optimize it, you'll be making doubly sure. Not only that, by optimizing your website for search engines, you will have a higher chance of ranking higher in the results. This means that you'll come up on the first page of the results rather than page 2, 3, 4, etc. People very rarely click on results beyond the first page. Most people only click on the first 2 or 3 results that Google and other search engines provide. The aim of the game with SEO is to get your website to the first spot, or the first few spots of the results. It is essentially a way for you to communicate with the gods of Google, letting them know that your website exists and should be shown to people who are searching for it but don't know it yet.
What about Instagram keywords?
Now you know what keywords are generally, let's take a look at keywords on Instagram. Keywords on Instagram work in exactly the same way as keywords on a website. People use the combinations of words to search for specific things on the platform, and you use the combinations of words to tell Instagram to show people your account or content when they do. The result, if you do it correctly, is higher reach. More people will see your account and content, because Instagram will present it to more people, not only in the results for specific search terms, but also generally, in the posts you may like feed, etc. Having a higher reach will mean that your content and account will be seen by more people, which will, in turn, lead to more engagement on your posts. Those two things combined will mean that more people follow you. In my next videos, I'm going to show you where, specifically, you should add keywords on Instagram, and what kind of keywords you should be using. I'm also going to show you where to find the best keywords for whatever niche or industry your business or Instagram account is in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications if you don't want to miss all of that. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.